Access SB Facilities inside MS Teams. SB Facilities are a department module used to track work orders, facilities, assets, and preventative maintenance tasks. Can all be accessed from within MS Teams, not just within SharePoint. SB Facilities is a SharePoint group site that can be set up in a new Microsoft team. Or if you already have teams set up for your facilities department, you can create a channel for SB Facilities within the existing facilities team. Allow your facility staff to collaborate, chat, and access their work orders, asset information, tasks, calendar, shared documents, and announcements right inside Teams. Allow employees to submit new service requests in the End User Service portal right inside Teams. SB Facilities is a next-generation SharePoint Microsoft Teams application. Unlike traditional standalone work order applications, SB Facilities is a complete operational portal that automates facilities and assets, processes, enables staff collaboration, and empowers employee self-service through a MyFacilities portal. SBC Facilities. Request a free demo today. Click the link below.